So when you've done that, you get into the perspective mode where you can decide what is it that you're actually going to look at in order of doing planning. And for this, I want to do a simple overview of my work orders compared with my availability of my resources. So for the first component here, I'll choose the Gantt chart, and I want to look at my work orders. And again, I can decide which of the different SAP date fields do I need to look at in order to do my planning. And for this, I'll just choose my basic start and basic finish. And this will immediately pull in all my different work orders for the next 4 weeks in this view here. I can then go ahead and save my perspective, and then this is the way this will look for me. But of course, you want to overlay this with what's your availability of resources. So in the bottom half of this view or perspective, I want to add my resources. So I'll click resources. And in this case, I want to look at work centers. And that will give me my available work centers and their capacity and their load. So as you can see, a lot of free capacity. And you can see these dates here where there is load from all of these orders.